The Digital Career Exchange, or DCeXa, is a brand new application which recognizes that employers and recruiters now need to see clear evidence of the skills required to perform in an advertised position. Job seekers therefore have to evidence their skills and have them assessed in order to participate. DCeXa addresses and supports employers, recruiters, and job seekers. In this video, we will introduce you to the application, which will allow you to view and identify appropriately skilled talent for your clients or hiring managers based on those evidence skills. First of all, you will receive a personal invite to register. Simply create a password and login. When you arrive in the application, there are some basic getting started instructions. These will point you to inputting some basic information about yourself and your company. You can access and view skilled talent in two ways within DCeXa. The first way to access talent is to consider candidates via any job positions you have available. By going to My Company and clicking on New Job, you will be able to create a new job or import an existing one you have via either a single or multiple URLs. If you import via a URL, the application will analyze your specification and populate a new job with the skills and other attributes required. Once populated, you can amend anything and click Submit to save these changes. You can then find your new job and select it to instantly view the best matches to your new role. You can view the profiles of these matches and shortlist your preferred candidates. You can view the evidence skills here by clicking View Evidence. This will display all the files the user has against each skill. You can carry out and record a review or assessment as an audit trial or to share with others in your company. Once you have decided on your shortlisted candidates, click on View Shortlist. Here you can view students again and save the most appropriately skilled candidates for your position. Once saved, the job seeker will receive a text advising them to contact you for a discussion or interview. Once you have finished your hiring process, you can select Hire to confirm your selection. The second way to engage with job seekers is within any open virtual career events. To do this, go to Events. These are open to the public, as well as to students, graduates, and alumni from participating schools and colleges. You can search for individuals with particular skills, or those who have chosen a particular job preference or career pathway. If you are interested in a candidate, you can save them. They will receive a text notifying them of your interest. If they, in turn, save your company, then you will match. You can also leave comments and ratings on a job seeker. This provides valuable input to the candidate. This can be done either as an overall rating or on a piece of skill evidence that you feel is worth commenting on. You will see all your matches in Matches and Saves. This will allow you to email and connect instantly should you wish to progress with a candidate. You can also keep a record of who you want to retain, hire, or discard using the user status. In Saved Talents, you can see which job seekers you saved but didn't hire. These are here should you wish to pursue them if other opportunities arise. You can also request, via the application administrator, the ability to set up your own company-dedicated corporate event. And best of luck with DCeXa.